In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the eFootball 2026 mod menu for free. And yes, this method works on both iOS and Android. If you're looking for an easy way to unlock powerful features in eFootball 2026, make sure you watch this video until the end. As you can see on your screen right now, this mod menu gives you access to multiple in-game features, including unlimited coins and GP, available on both iOS and Android devices. This is one of the most complete eFootball 2026 mod menus currently available. Inside the menu, you'll find several options such as Auto Win, Unlimited Coins and GP, Freeze Players, Freeze Goalkeeper, Auto Goal, and many more features designed to enhance your gameplay experience. Before you begin, make sure your eFootball 2026 game is updated to the latest version. To check this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for eFootball, and confirm that there are no pending updates. Once your game is fully updated, you're good to go. The next step is to head over to the pinned comment below this video. There, I explain exactly where and how you can get eFootball++. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.